Yo guys, I've been gone for a little bit. I had to leave my dog at my mom's house, so she's been there for like 2 days. So I'm about to go pick her up. Y'all about to see how dramatic she is. Y'all gonna see how she gonna jump on me and shit, but I haven't seen her for 2 days. I miss her myself though. But yeah, we about to be out. We about to go pick her up, man. I just got home a few minutes ago. I'm about to go get her, come back home so I can rest and chill with her. See you guys there.
Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my clock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down.
Baby, I know. You wanna go find Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hey, my baby, hi. Jesus. No.
Come on, let's go pee pee. Go pee. Harley, leave the birds alone. Harley. Go pee. Harley, go pee. Harley. I just got to this bitch. She already making me mad, bruh. God damn. Go pee. Alright guys, we got the dog back. I'm about to go back to my house. This dog is wild. She already broke something. She knocked the bucket of rabbits down. Bro, she's just tearing up my mom's house. But we about to go back to the house. I'm gonna see you guys over there, man. Peace out. Alright guys. I got somebody that hit me up and he told me he got this mini bike for me. I don't know if you guys know, but on my intro you guys see a little mini bike on there. He hit me up and I've been trying to look for one. He said he got one for sale, so it's fucking nighttime, but I said fuck it, let's go get it. So we about to go pick that up right now and we about to go see what's up, man. Hopefully this shit about to be a nice fucking road trip. It's gonna be an hour ride, so I'm gonna keep this shit going. Peace. Alright guys, right now I'm at my mom's house. We about to pick up this car. About to pick up my stepfather's car. He got a truck and shit, so we about to put the bike in the back of the pickup truck and pick it up. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
Could be his shorty.
Alright man, so I got some I got a little bit of leftovers from Thanksgiving. And I got this homeless guy that's always down the street from my house. We always give him money and shit. So I'm about to just give him food. Today's gonna be my first time ever giving him food. So we about to go give him that. And then we about to keep moving. Peace.
Thank you. No problem.
Yo, bro, that's a little Thanksgiving food right there, man.
Have a great
Take
weekend.
care, man.
I appreciate you.
1 hour later.
We here. We in a motherfucking pickup truck, man. We about to get this popping. Let's go get this bike, man. I'm ready to go. Pretty cold on this side. Hey, what's up, man?
A whole lot. I was
just watching one of your videos.
Yeah? You was just watching my video? That's what's up, man. Good looks. Alright, so let me see. So where the battery goes for the light?
I just used a 12-volt battery from a drill, and I taped it to here. But I mean, if you can weld or know somebody that can weld, you can put a bracket here and then get a lawnmower battery.
Okay. And you talking about a drill gun?
Yep.
One of the batteries from the bottom? That's funny because I need one for myself. Damn, now I gotta buy two. Alright, damn, I wish, oh, these are some nice, these are LED lights, right?
Yep.
Nice.
I don't know if my battery's in the building. Might be able to.
Oh wow, you got another nice bike. You got a chicken. Yo, so, you know, the bike is a little dirty right now, guys, but I swear I'm gonna clean it up when I get to the crib. I'm gonna clean it up tomorrow. It's already getting late, but I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna show you guys again how this bike gonna look. All right, cool.
I don't have my knife.
How the brakes on this right now?
Good.
Okay.
Real good.
How long you been having it for?
I've had it for about 3 months.
The brakes?
Huh?
The brakes?
Oh. What? No, say that again?
You haven't switched the brakes
No,
on
no,
there?
no.
Okay. My old bike, I had to switch the brake like every week.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know if I put it on too tight or something, but
Then the nuts are in there. I'll actually go ahead and put them on there.
are you selling the other bike?
Not yet. The other big one's the guy across the street. I've asked him if he wanted to, but he hasn't said nothing about it yet.
The exhaust. Is it there? Okay, yeah.
Yep. I had a straight pipe on that.
I'm actually happy you got the Predator on.
Yep.
So this is definitely faster than the 196. The motor that this brings.
Yep.
Okay. Even the one that has the two chains on it.
Yep. Because this had 2 chains on it. That's your torque converter.
Yeah.
Which gave you more takeoff, but less top end. So I took it off and ran straight chain from the sprocket to the clutch, and that gave me slower takeoff but more top end. I actually downloaded an app on my phone, the speedometer app.
And all right, you pull the screw all the way back. Yeah. All right, well, let's start this up and let's. I ain't liking that. That shit keeps turning off. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I need to ask him how long. See, at this point though, it's not gonna matter if I ask him. What the fuck just happened?
It does have to warm up if he hasn't turned it
right.
on.
See, I don't want it to turn off like right now, right here. I don't want to be turning it on all the time. Here, hold my money. You think from now on it wouldn't be turning off? Nope. When was the last time you turned it on?
Last time I actually rode it?
Yeah, like.
It's been a couple weeks.
Yeah, okay.
But I mean, I started it
off.
here and there just to let it run. killed it.
Speaker.
No, some beat. And then like I couldn't even really do too much right here because it was too fucking dark, bro. Like,
I'm a Tahoe.
Get on.
That guy was telling him if when you go to slow down, you keep giving it just a little gas.
Yeah.
It'll keep running.
I had a Predator motor on my last bike, and honestly I really never went through this problem that I'm going through right now. Yeah, and I don't know how to feel about it.
Shouldn't have to choke it once it's warmed up.
And remember, don't hit the gas right now because it's gonna go.
I mean, you can do it, just you have to slowly get into it.
Nah, I gotta be in the back.
I don't put my
Do it from right here.
The throttle.
You
As soon as you give it gas,
It'd be too tight.
it stops.
But that's why I've always played with it when I go to take off.
You see?
Yeah, I think the throttle is not. I don't think it's fully tightened up or something. I think it's going into an off position. And that's the thing about these bikes. I don't really know how to mess with them. You think it's something like? Do you know how to mess with them? You think it'll be something you could?
I mean, I ride it
fix right
just
now?
like it is now.
Yeah, I know, but that's because you're used to it. You know, I want to be able to let it go and not be in the middle of the street. Because I live in the city, so I'm gonna be driving in the streets with this. I don't want to be in the middle of the streets and having to crank it up and this car is behind me. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to.
We can adjust the throttle.
Walk down on them in Balenciaga Ronalds. My blood slime a nigga out just like an anaconda. You go against me, then you fuck just like a used condom. I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good guns. Hey, still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk them. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stalk them. Cause tape up on the scene, I had to white talk them. Running from my gun, but my bullets had to hawk them. Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my Glock. You wanna play and then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullets get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, walk him down, walk him down, walk him down, walk him down. Walk him down, walk him down, walk him down. Nigga, I was posted on the corner where the J's at. Roll up in the 4x4, pull up at the corner. And I got red in my drink when I poured soda. I remember praying that the feds never take the Motorola. Chopper got the chopper, make him do a backflip. Pay my dog down to walk him down, he need the racks, bitch. I been drinking, I been taking all this codeine to the face. Got a lot of M's in the safe. Caught a murder, then I beat the case. I was just about to do the race.